Welcome to today's video, where we're going to demystify the process of jumping into real estate investment, specifically focusing on how first-time investors can thrive in Kansas City's booming market. If you've ever thought that real estate investing was beyond your reach or too complicated to get started, this video is for you. We're going to break down the barriers and show you how, with the right guidance from Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can make informed, profitable investment decisions. First things first, let's address some of the common fears and hurdles that first-time investors might face. Many new investors feel overwhelmed by the financial commitment, the complexities of market analysis, and managing properties. However, the key to overcoming these challenges is knowledge and support. Here in Kansas City, a city known for its vibrant economy and growing population, opportunities are ripe for those who are prepared to take the step. The first step in becoming a successful real estate investor is understanding the local market. Kansas City is diverse, with a range of neighborhoods that offer unique investment potentials. From bustling downtown areas to quieter suburban neighborhoods, each area has its own set of characteristics that appeal to different types of renters. Doing your homework on where to invest based on your financial goals and market demands is crucial. For first-time investors, starting small can be a wise approach. This might mean purchasing a single apartment unit, a small duplex, or a house to rent out. The key is to manage the risk while learning the ropes of property management. This is where Alpine Property Management can step in. We offer comprehensive management services that take the day-to-day operations off your hands, from tenant screening and leasing to maintenance and emergency repairs, allowing you to learn and grow your investment with less stress. Understanding your financing options is another crucial step. Many first-time investors might not realize that they don't necessarily need large amounts of cash up front. Options like conventional loans, FHA loans, or leveraging existing home equity can be accessible routes to securing your first investment property. It's important to consult with financial advisors or mortgage brokers who can offer tailored advice based on your financial situation. Networking is an invaluable tool. Connecting with other investors, real estate agents, and property management companies like Alpine can provide you with insights and opportunities that are not always available publicly. Attending local real estate meetings or seminars can also be a great way to build your knowledge and connections. Perhaps the most important step for a first-time investor is to leverage the expertise of a trusted property management company. Alpine Property Management Kansas City not only manages your properties efficiently, but also provides market insights and strategic advice to help maximize your investment. Our goal is to make your first venture into real estate investing as successful as possible, laying a strong foundation for future growth. As a first-time investor, it's also beneficial to know that if you ever need to liquidate your property quickly, Alpine offers a We Buy Houses program. This program provides a quick, hassle-free method to sell properties, ensuring that you can exit your investment smoothly and efficiently if your circumstances or goals change. Now that we've covered the essentials for first-time investors, let's explore some additional strategies and tips to help you continue to thrive in Kansas City's real estate market. Once you've gained confidence and experience with your initial investment, it's time to consider expanding your portfolio. This could involve acquiring additional properties in different neighborhoods or diversifying into different types of real estate, such as commercial properties or multifamily units. Alpine Property Management can assist you in identifying new investment opportunities and managing your growing portfolio effectively. As you gain more experience in the market, you may find that your investment goals evolve. Whether you're looking to increase cash flow, achieve higher returns on investment, or build long-term wealth through property appreciation, Alpine can help you tailor your investment strategy to align with your evolving objectives. Our team of experts stays abreast of market trends and opportunities, ensuring that your investment strategy remains flexible and responsive to changing market conditions. Real estate markets are dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and economic indicators is essential for making informed investment decisions. Alpine Property Management provides regular market updates and insights to our clients, keeping you informed about relevant developments in the Kansas City market and helping you stay ahead of the curve. As your portfolio grows, optimizing the performance of your properties becomes increasingly important. Alpine offers advanced property management services that focus on maximizing rental income, minimizing vacancies, and enhancing property value through strategic upgrades and renovations. Our proactive approach ensures that your properties remain competitive in the market and continue to generate strong returns. Successful real estate investing often requires a team of professionals, including real estate agents, contractors, financial advisors, and property managers. Building relationships with trusted professionals who understand your investment goals and can provide valuable expertise and support is key to long-term success. Alpine Property Management serves as an integral part of your investment team, providing the expertise and support you need to achieve your financial objectives. Finally, never stop learning. The real estate market is vast and complex, and there is always something new to discover. Whether it's attending seminars, reading books, or networking with other investors, investing in your own education will pay dividends in the long run. Alpine Property Management offers educational resources and networking opportunities to our clients, helping them stay informed and connected in the ever-changing world of real estate investing. In conclusion, thriving as a real estate investor in Kansas City requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and support. With the right guidance and expertise from Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and achieve your investment goals. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth exploration of real estate investing in Kansas City. If you're ready to take the next step in your investment journey or need assistance with property management services, don't hesitate to reach out to Alpine Property Management Kansas City. We're here to help you succeed in the exciting world of real estate investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into real estate investing. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to investors like you. Here's to your success in the Kansas City real estate market. See you in the next video.